Okay, let's take a look at the delete statement now. So what I've done is I've made a separate table for this so I can demonstrate it to you. Okay, so I've just made a quick table because it's going to be getting deleted in a second. So what's important to know about the delete statement is it's very easy to delete a whole table, all the data out of the table, basically. So it's what obviously we don't want to be doing. But if I can give you an example now, and we can delete from table 3. My fault. Let's say, for example, where the let's just do the account is equal to, let's just do that first one, 001. Okay, and if we execute this now, we can see that one row has been affected. So if we just bring back our select statement on table 3, we can see that one's gone now. So what's important to know is that that's now gone. It's very easy to accidentally delete the whole table. So if we just do delete table 3, that's it, the whole table's gone. So you could imagine if you had loads of information in there. Let's just bring it up. If that was, many columns across and much data down, for example, that whole table would be gone. And there's no warning, it was just a simple execute and it was gone. So bear in mind with that one.